sun is coming out. I'm already tired. So good. No, cos'è? Oggi
Estamos en hora.
Ai. Guys, Jose is leaving col perros. Jose,
Oh my God.
See you again, yeah?
Bueno, encantada.
Going to Melide. It's a 27 kilometers walk. Today we live in the albergue o Canido now.
See your outline in the dark and hear the blood run in your heart when we're in each other's arms. Stillness of the night is here with all the riot of our fear. Try to reopen our scars. It's tearing me apart. Must be something that I can do. I'm through with chasing scars and howling at the moon. I'm done with being young. I'm waiting for life to start. You're not the only one who's got a fragile heart.
We got some Lucio Battisti as a music background. That's what my dad used to listen to, so we kind of grew up with that 70s music. Love it. Tu, eri bella. That's a tune. Wow. You were beautiful. Comunque bella. Wow. We reached the bar, yay! Camino. Hamburger con hello, de vacca, patate fritte 7,50. It's mine. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely worth coming up here instead of the previous bar. Much better. Muy mejor.
¿Alguien quiere un trozo de melocotón?
Corazón, tienes piel de melocotón. Ay, pilgrimage. Chilling time in the garden. Okay guys, this is my second breakfast. Jamón en queso. E la casera, el sponsor oficial del Camino de Santiago.
Zumbao.
Bread freshly baked, like right now.
Joder, qué bien, ¿no?
Evan, when you go to Evan, this is your meal.
So bueno, tío.
No?
Qué bien, qué gana tengo.
We had that amazing sandwich. The lady was actually Irish. And there was brownie in there, but €3.50. It's a bit too much. It's amazing up here. It's quite chilly because it's breezy. There's a little breeze. You probably can hear it through the mic. And we saw someone before on top of the peak. I'm sure it was Peter. Also, the vegetation is changing a little bit. It's more mountainy. It's really refreshing up here. I love the mountains, man. It reminds me when I was a child. I was going with my parents and brother on long walks in the Alps.
When you wake up, I see the ocean in your eyes. empty shorelines, pebbles waiting for us to gather and take hold. With all the secrets they hold inside that we might know.
60 kilometers to go to Santiago. It's going fast. 2 days left. Some wild horses here.
Daydreams linger for time and tide to let go. Sounds and wonders as endless waters flow.
Hey guys, so we are in Melide. I didn't show much of the place because I got this news that put me down for a couple of hours. It's actually, I guess, the answer to my pilgrimage, so which is not the answer I was expecting. And yeah, so it's life, I guess. And it's time to open a new chapter. So close the door and open a gate. That's what my dad would say. And this is the church of town. We're going to the service now. Right, I guess I'm gonna close here for today and see you soon. Didn't sleep very well. Mood is not great, so I thought it could be worth telling you the real reason why I'm doing this pilgrimage. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.